welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to be recreating Parakeet Slime Strawberry Daiquiri Slime. Before we go on to this video, remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video so I know you guys like my really trashy content. So let's go on into this week's shoutouts. So here are this week's shoutouts. Thank you so much to Artie Geek, Tanya Rodriguez, Milanka, and Sarah Penna. You guys are so amazing. If you want to get yourself a shout out in one of my next videos, make sure to comment that you are subscribed, have your notification bell on, and that you've liked this video so I know you guys like my really trashy content. Also, make sure to comment one of the secret messages that pop up in my videos. This video is a collab with Val Slimes. She's such an amazing YouTuber here on YouTube. She posts a ton of videos regarding slime, which are absolutely amazing. They're so well made. She makes videos from reviews to restocks and anything in between. I absolutely love watching them, especially since she's so entertaining and she puts so much effort into all of her restocks, videos, editing, anything that she does, and she's just such a sweet person, which you guys should definitely check out because I'll leave a link down below and up in the iCard. So in my bowl, I'm adding roughly 6 ounces of glue into my bowl. This is just Elmer's School glue. Next, I'm adding in some lotion to give it a super nice and soft texture. I previously added in some oil into this to give it that glossy look, and I just incorporated that all together. The final step is just to activate this slime. I'm just using 1 teaspoon of borax to 1 cup of warm water, and I'm adding that in gradually until the slime begins to form. So here's the slime after fully activating it. As you can see, it's just as glossy as her normal slime bases, which makes it perfect for this slime. Super stretchy and super glossy. Shoot, the battery says it's about to die. So first, I'm just adding in some red Daiso soft clay. This is just because her slime has a corally color, and red plus white makes a kind of a pinkish coral color, which is exactly what this clay does. Also, Daiso soft clay is super accessible and it just makes your slime super nice, especially since Parakeet Slime said in one of her videos that she uses Daiso soft clay, so I'm just speculating that she used this in the red color. So I just added this in and made a cute little mixing, which is a bit of a fail, but once you add in tad bits of clay, you'll notice that it becomes a lot more thicker, but you want to do it to the point where it's still glossy and you can still feel the slime, but it's thick enough where it's a slay slime, but it's not as much of a clay slime. So it's just like a medium between slay and clay slimes, if that makes sense. But afterwards, it turns out super nice.
1 week later.
So here's the slime after letting it out for a week. It turned out super sizzly, but it was on the sticky side considering that it is summer. After a bit of activator, it turned quite similar to a Parakeet Slime Strawberry Daiquiri Slime. It has that same thick texture along with that perfect matte to glossy style. It's also super sizzly and super bubbly, which I absolutely love. Although it is pretty similar texture-wise, it is a little bit off by color. Hers has a bit more pinkier tones, while mine is on the red side. Other than that, it still is amazing to play with, and I absolutely love it. It is really inflating in comparison to hers, but it's still super fun. Before you go, make sure to subscribe since we're super close to 1.2k subscribers. Also, make sure to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And like this video so I know you guys like my really trashy content. This video like goal is 60 likes, so let's get to there. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!